Welcome to this updated training on onboarding a new customer into Housecall Pro. Whether you're in the office handling leads or out in the field meeting a new client, getting their info into our system correctly is key to smooth scheduling, invoicing, and delivering top-notch service. In this video, we'll cover adding the customer, inviting them to the Housecall Pro customer portal, and sharing our brand new customer welcome package on YouTube to the customer. The welcome package has short, helpful videos that introduce our services, precisely explaining what to expect during service. Setting clear, transparent expectations is a major focal point. In addition to managing expectations, the welcome package is designed to reduce questions and help customers feel informed and excited right from the start. By the end of this video, and with a little practice, you'll know how to seamlessly add new customers into our system for the Green Lawns Matter teams to service. Okay, now that you have a little background and outline, let's get started with what we actually need to do. First, log into Housecall Pro. For the office staff, you are going to use your computer, so just use your credentials to log into housecallpro.com. For the field staff, you should have the Housecall Pro app on your phone or a tablet. Open it using your credentials. Let's start with the desktop or laptop method in an office setting. Click the New button in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down, select the Customer option. This opens the Add New Customer window. In the Contact Info section, enter the customer's first and last name. This is the main contact. Next, add a display name. This appears on scheduling, invoices, and estimates. Examples are Smith Family or 123 Oak Lane. A majorly important step is to input their email address. If a customer requests to have more than one email on file, click a plus email to add additional addresses. At this point, a valid email address is all but mandatory. We can make exceptions, but uniformity and standardization are big goals, and being able to communicate through email makes it much easier. Always press for an email address, but we can text abbreviated updates and communication as well. We also need to have at least one phone number associated to each customer profile. Add phone numbers, mobile, home, work. You can click plus phone for more. The last part of the contact info section includes radio boxes for homeowner or business. Check the box accordingly. The next section is address info. This contains info about the property address being serviced. Enter the physical service address, where we'll handle mowing, sprinklers, plowing, or wherever the service is taking place. If they have multiple properties, press the plus address and enter the additional address. Make sure you mark the most suitable as the primary. We typically use either the primary residence of the person paying the bill or the most frequented or biggest account as the primary when we aren't sure. In notes and tags, we can add private notes, e.g., pet-friendly products only, or gate code 1234. Again, we are trying to steer the ship towards creating standard processes and workflows. Typically, anything notable is a speed bump in our goal of uniformity. We don't need notes on items that are already part of our standard processes. This is mainly used for gate codes or access codes, as our service techs are trained to perform the same job at each property. We can enter tags at this point as well, but tags are a critical part of our operation, and they are important enough to be featured in a separate video directly focused towards the estimating side of our process. If this is a sub-customer, for example, a tenant billing to a property manager, use this customer bills to and search for the parent account. Review everything, then click Create Customer in the bottom right. They're now in our system. Pro tip: always verify the service address and make sure it shows up on the map as it should. Common sense, but we really need to make sure we are dealing with the right property. It's what autofills for jobs, estimates, and routing. Okay, now for field staff adding customers on the go. Open the app, tap the plus button at the bottom, or go to the Customers tab and tap plus New Customer. The form is streamlined, so just fill in each box accordingly and follow the same guidelines set forth in the desktop or laptop version. Add notes or tags on the spot. Tap Save or Create. It syncs instantly across the team. With the customer added, you can now create jobs, estimates, or schedules directly from their profile. Next, invite them to the Housecall Pro customer portal. This lets customers view appointments, pay invoices online, approve estimates, and message us anytime through our chat system. It saves everyone time, and even more importantly, it keeps all correspondence with the customer available for other team members to review within the customer's profile. From the customer's profile, web or app, go to the Profile tab. Click Invite to Portal and they will get the invite. Additionally, customers receive a portal login link in job, invoice, and estimate emails. They can also request a magic link emailed to them automatically through our website at any time, but it's critical they use the same email address as we have associated to their account. This sends a branded email with a secure magic link. Okay, this next step is very important. Immediately after inviting, send a personalized welcome message with a link to our Customer Welcome Package playlist. From their profile, click Chat Customer, or text email from the Actions menu to send this message. The welcome package will get them all squared away with what to expect from us. Then all we have to do is deliver as promised. This concludes the tutorial for onboarding a new customer. Onboarding a customer gives us the ability to send estimates, schedule jobs, and collect payments. It's the first step of many. If you are looking to get ahead, the next step in the process is sending out the estimate. All jobs need to be tied to a customer-approved estimate. After an estimate is approved, we get a card or payment method on file before scheduling the job. Check out additional videos for more info on those topics. And thanks for watching and being a valuable part of the team at Green Lawns Matter.